Hey everybody, welcome back to the Racewise Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are taking these chicken wings and we are making some awesome jalapeno pepper jelly glazed hot wings on the Weber Kettle. Let's go! So we're gonna jump right into it. We got about 5.5 pounds of beautiful looking chicken wings here. These are nice and thick. These are gonna come out great. What we're gonna do here is a couple things. We're gonna get the Weber Kettle fired up. We're gonna get these seasoned up right away. I'm gonna hit these with a little bit of duck fat. Not only does it help as a binder, but it will also help with that skin and hopefully get it a little bit crispier and a little bit more bite through. Just give a quick hit on this. And then for our seasoning today, we're using JDQ Spicy BBQ Rub. This stuff is amazing, tastes phenomenal. It gives you just a little kick of heat at the end. It's awesome. So we're gonna season these all up and we're gonna do this to both sides here. Go ahead, flip these and we'll do the second side. Quick hit, quick season. These are seasoned up. We're gonna let this rub set up till it looks nice and wet. In the meantime, we're gonna get the Weber Kettle fired up. Today we're using a small bed of unlit coals from Jealous Devil Lump Charcoal. And then we're gonna take a small lit chimney, add that right on top of the unlit coals, and let that come up to temp. Not really measuring temperature today on the grill. I have the vent about 3/4 of the way open, and that's what it's gonna be the entire cook. So let's get this fired up, and then we're gonna get these onto the Weber Kettle. Let's go. The grill's nice and hot. We're gonna go get these on the grill right now. You can tell that these chicken wings have that rub set up real nice. They look nice and wet and uniform. So we're gonna open this up, spray the grate down with a little duck fat, make sure they don't stick, and get these on. Wings are on, looking great. We're gonna let those go for a little while. You can see that they're pretty tightly packed on there. That's okay, because as they're cooking, a lot of that moisture is gonna come out. They're gonna shrink up some, and that'll give us some more room to play with in a little while. So we're gonna let these go for maybe 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back, give them a quick baste of barbecue sauce, give them a flip, barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna hit it with the pepper jelly glaze, flip, pepper jelly glaze, done. So it's gonna take probably an hour, hour and a half till they're completed. My finish temp on these chicken wings, it's gonna be up there. It's gonna be 180, 200 degrees. Chicken wings have a lot of fat and they could go a lot higher in finish temp than, say, a chicken breast. So these are not gonna dry out. And the higher you take these to closer to that 200 range, they're just gonna be fall apart tender, which is what I love in a chicken wing. We're gonna close this up. We'll be back in about 20 minutes to hit it with that first glaze of barbecue sauce. We'll be back. In about 20 minutes, we're gonna open this grill up and hit it with some barbecue sauce. Today we're hitting it with Smokin Ghost BBQ Haunted Heat Barbecue Sauce. Great flavor, little kick. Let's open this grill and get these sauced up some. These wings are looking and smelling amazing. All right, let's hit them with some sauce. We're not gonna overly do these because we are gonna coat it a couple times. So we're really just kind of glazing them up a little bit with the sauce. And then we're gonna let this set up for just a couple minutes, flip them, do the same to the back side, and then hit them with that finishing pepper jelly. Closed her up, gonna go just a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, flip them because we want that barbecue sauce to set up. Then we're gonna flip it, hit the backside with more sauce, and then we'll let that go about 20 minutes again. Let that stuff set up really well. Then we're gonna start hitting it with some pepper jelly. It's gonna be awesome. We'll be back when it is time to flip. A few minutes have gone by, we're gonna go ahead and flip these over. Let's go. You can see this sauce is setting up really nice on here, so perfect time to go ahead and give it a flip. We're gonna hit this side with some sauce. And just build in those layers of flavors like they all say, build in the layers. Both sides are sauced up. We're gonna let this run maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Let that really start to cook through. Let that sauce really adhere and thicken up. And then we're gonna hit it with the pepper jelly glaze, and we're kind of gonna repeat the process. I'm gonna hit it with the glaze, let it go about 10, 15 minutes, flip, glaze 10, 15 minutes, pull it off when it hits temperature. So we're gonna keep this closed up and we'll be back in about 15, 20 minutes. Another 15 minutes in, and these wings are looking great. That sauce is set up really nice on there. Next, in our final step, we're gonna be hitting it with some big Wicks pepper jelly. It says Mesquite smoked jalapeno glaze. This stuff is amazing as a final glaze on any of your stuff that you like sauced up. This is gonna be awesome on here. So let's go glaze up these chicken wings. What's great about this pepper jelly rib glaze is that it's pretty thin and it does such a great job coating everything you use it on. And like I said earlier, we're just building flavor here, layers of flavor. We got the barbecue sauce, we got the great rib rub, we've got the great spice rub, now the pepper jelly glaze. These are gonna be sticky and sweet, and they're gonna have some good spice to it with an amazing flavor. That side's glazed up. We're gonna let this go 10, 15 minutes. Flip one more time, glaze it at the end one more time, and let that come up to temperature and finish. So we're closed up. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. These wings are looking amazing. That glaze is really starting to crisp up. I really love those burnt nubbins on the end of anything that has a glaze like this on there, but we're gonna go ahead, flip one more time, glaze one more time, and then they'll be done in probably another 20 minutes. So this is gonna be roughly an hour and a half cook or so, but these wings are gonna be fall apart tender and amazingly delicious. Let's go ahead and flip them and glaze them one more time. Now our final glaze, making a nice good one here. Man, these look and smell amazing. Gonna close these up, let them go another 15, 20 minutes or so, and then we are gonna be pulling them off and trying them. So let's close this up so they can finish up. Wings are done and are looking incredible. I really hope it comes over on camera, because when I was looking through the camera, it just doesn't do these justice. I can't wait to tear into these. Again, look and smell amazing. We have the JDQ Spicy Rub. We've got the Smokin Ghost BBQ sauce. We've got the big Wicks pepper jelly glaze. Can't wait. All right, let's get into one of these. Oh, by the way, I temped them as they were coming off. They were between 190 and 200 degrees, and I like that because of this reason here. Look at how easily those bones pull apart. Still rocket hot, but I'm getting into this thing. Oh, this combination is amazing. These are some of the best wings I've ever made, I'll be honest with you. This combination, it kills it. I love making wings. This is gonna be a go-to in my arsenal going forward. Try this out. Super easy job on the Weber Kettle. Does a phenomenal job on wings. This seasoning combination, through the roof good. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Follow us on social media, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks again for stopping by. Take care, everybody. Peace.